Good evening, guys. This side Rahul Magan here as a Group Chief Executive Officer, Treasury Consulting, and also a venture capitalist. Standing on 30th September, I am going to be shooting a pretty important video about change in e-commerce dynamics in India. We are around 1 month or precisely 20 days away from the festival season in India when different parts of India, north, south, are having their respective festivals. Like North India having their own festival, South India having their own festival, so that way. And everyone should celebrate their own festival. Somehow this time coronavirus is here, so one has to be pretty careful. So I request everyone to please be careful while celebrating the festival. And all big boys, Flipkart, Walmart, Amazon, Reliance, they are more or less ready to take this opportunity on. But one common thing which all these big boys clearly understand is that due to this pandemic, which is now entering the 10th month of a calendar year, which is October, millions of jobs shedded in India. Different sources like Center for Monitoring and Indian Economy, various other public sources confirmed that not less than millions of jobs being shed in India. EPFO, Employee Provident Fund Organization, is facing huge withdrawals. So that is definitely a concern for e-commerce companies because the purchasing power of a consumer in this festival season compared to the last few festival seasons is definitely limited. So do not expect, at least Treasury Consulting is not expecting a huge buying would happen in this festival season. But having said that, whether Amazon, Reliance and another e-commerce players would offer huge discounts, maybe installment based payments or not, that is really interesting to see. Currently commenting on that is really tough because as these policies would be apparent, we surely have a video. So this is one thing which is happening. Reliance is definitely moving ahead very fast pace. I think today they got another deal. Reliance Retail. Keeping this as a background, one important thing which is happening in the Tatas. Tatas is definitely a conglomerate from tea to aircraft, which is Vistara. They are having interest everywhere. There are two actions which are happening in the Tata Group, and I think both actions should be considered for equity portfolio. Number one is definitely the Shapoorji Group, a well-known group in India, is looking forward for a complete exit from Tata Sons. Standing today around 19%, somewhere between 19 to 20% stake they are holding in Tata Sons, and they are planning to exit. While multiple articles, multiple media domains are giving different valuation figures of Shapoorji Group stake in Tata Sons, henceforth we are not quoting any valuation figure in public domain because we understand that valuation is subject to interpretation issue, and considering these circumstances, until the dust is completely settled, there is no point of commenting. So we are not commenting on the valuation figure, but one thing we clearly understand is that the valuation figure is very huge. It is definitely not a small. It is not a game of 100 crore, 200 crore or 1000 crore. It's a huge game, right? From where the Tata will get the money, that is a very important thing, and specifically at a time when majority of the Tata companies are in huge debt. Because a very small proportion of Tata companies are listed in nature, rest all are unlisted in nature. I got some data, and let me point this data. Tata Sons valuation is value of the Tata Sun listed holdings, basically the companies those who are listed under Tata Sons, they are around 7.8 trillion, which is 7,80,000 crores. Tata Sons unlisted holding is very small. It is around 0.4 trillion. Tata Sons brand value, which is known as intangible, is 1.46 trillion, which is around 1.5 trillion. Precisely, if I add all three, the accuracy wise, the number comes 9.7. You can take it as a 10, which is 10 trillion. 1 trillion is 1 lakh crore, so 10 trillion is 10 lakh crore. This is what the total valuation of Tata Sons according to the public figures. Please also understand that valuation is not only subject to interpretation issue but also subject to movement. So example, when Reliance started the journey in 2020, the combined valuation of all public sector undertakings was way ahead than Reliance. But now the situation is Reliance alone valuation is way ahead than the public sector undertakings. Only in 9 to 10 months, 360-degree turn. So this is figure as today. As we proceed, as the market moves, the volatility moves, US elections on the cards, coronavirus impact in India, consumer spending, and multiple issues, the valuation may change. Maybe this 10 trillion valuation may go to 20, or maybe this 10 will come down to 8 as well. This is one thing. So if Tata Group wanted to buy the Sapurji Group stake, then they need money, that is for sure. And raising such a huge money from the debt is really a tough part, So we got another information that Tata Group has reached out to the several investors, including Sovereign Wealth Fund, to raise funds to buy out the Mistry family stake in Tata Sons Limited. Two people directly aware of the ongoing discussion said, N. Chandrasekhan, the chairperson of Tata Sons, is leading the talks with the potential investors, the success of which will determine whether the bitter feud between the Tata Group and the biggest minority shareholder Mistry family ends or not. And what would be the conditions, terms and conditions, or the term sheet of these investors before they go ahead for Tata Sons? Projecting is really, really tough as of now. Really, really tough. This is one thing. But another thing which is happening is, guys, the Tatas are planning a super app. I really, to be honest, I till now I'm not been able to understand what is the right definition of super app. And different media sources are linking this with another digital platform that is coming in India. So until otherwise this app is right before us, commenting on the architecture of this app is really tough. But yes, it would be a digital platform. That is the right thing to do. And I don't know whether this is a right way of pointing or not, or whether the information which is there in the public domain is right or not, but Walmart looks interested to invest another $25 billion in the super app. When I read this news, the first thing I was thinking is from the angle of Mr. Ambani, which is from where Walmart will get 25 billion. That is very important thing. And more importantly, even if Walmart will get 25 billion, what would be the architecture of this app and how they would reap it out? And what would be the payoff time? 5 years, 7 years, 10 years and all. And more importantly, for a while I assume that this app is coming next year, then the big boys like Amazon and Reliance, those who are holding considerable share in the Indian e-commerce segment, and especially Amazon, is having enough firepower in the belly to retaliate. I think in the e-commerce segment, in this festival season, definitely it's Amazon versus Reliance, and of course Flipkart is there in the game, no doubt. Losses or no losses. And my favorite company, unicorns, are also here. Another very important thing is how this Sapurji Group equation take place, because anything can happen at any given point of time, to be honest. We just need to see what information is flowing and we need to analyze this information, as simple as that. And very important thing is about the super app. Because once I heard this word super app, to me it looked like Krish, if I speak from Indian angle, and it looked like Superman, which means an app who can do anything in this world. And I think that if this app turn out to be a successful story, my best wishes, then it will surely bring one additional player into the game. And this time it is Tata's. But before I conclude, this is a very, very great opportunity for you, me, and all young guns. Because I don't know how this app would shape up, how this app would look like, the time will tell. This app would be a big success or super success, time will tell. But even if, forget 25 billion of investment, even if 1 billion of investment would happen in the Tatas pertaining to this app, I'm not talking about Sapurji, I'm talking about this app, then Tata, the listed companies of Tatas will surely move in exchanges. Our hedge fund desk is doing a detailed research whereby we are evaluating that what would if Walmart invest for a while, what amount, XYZ. Last but not the least, more important, which group company of the Tata, of course listed, would have the biggest rise, assuming after 2 weeks Walmart say, I'm interested. And why Walmart? Any other venture capitalist. I'm just giving a hypothetical example. BlackRock, Blackstone, KKR, General Atlantic, Silver Lake. There are many big boys we have around the corner. Brookfield. If they come, I'm interested. The equation will surely change. The dominance will surely change. So the young investors need to understand very, very carefully, which is that if this equation shapes up, then which group company of Tata's would scale? And I think the research is little tricky and interpretation issues. But our hedge fund desk is going on and we are hopeful that we would be able to reach it out. We already delved down 2 Tata companies. I think that these 2 companies would be the major beneficiary if this news will circulate, of course, in public domain. But once again, the research is going on. It's really difficult to predict as yet, but very importantly, just 20 days before the festival season, whether north or south part of India, there is a hell lot of action which is happening in the e-commerce. Whether it is Amazon, it is Reliance, now Tata's, which is Flipkart. Now there is a huge advertisement which is done by Swiggy, Zomato. Everyone is in action. Let's see how this shapes up. This is Rahul from Treasury Consulting. You know our WhatsApp 9818-485-155. Have a great time, and pretty much interesting things are on the cards. And once again, we are linking this everything because Treasury Consulting is a competent authority to link the dots. And I think this time linking dots is little tough, but at least not impossible. Have a good time, guys. Talk soon.